Come on and take a ride with me through Sea Trail located in Sunset Beach, North Carolina. Sprawling over 2,600 acres, Sea Trail has a home to suit all of your needs. From single-family residences, townhomes, garden homes, and condos, there is something for everyone. Take your pick from 3 completely different golf courses, all within Sea Trail. The Jones course features a mature tree border with mounded fairways and lakes. The Willard Bird course is known for its challenging greenside bunkering and lakes, while the Dan Maples course is known for its old oak trees and towering pines. If you need to hone in your golf skills, be sure to check out the putting greens, driving range, and PGA-sanctioned Golf Learning Center. Sea Trail is home to 2 on-site dining experiences. Overlooking the golf course, Magnolia's is open for breakfast and lunch, while Brassy's Pub, located at the Maples Clubhouse, is open for lunch and dinner. If playing golf is not your activity of choice, you have a plethora of other things to choose from. This is one of the most active communities along the coast. Sea Trail has 2 full-service clubhouses, 2 private owner swim and fitness centers with pools, whirlpools, and sauna, an indoor pool for those cold winter days, lighted tennis courts and pickleball courts, a horseshoe pit, bocce ball court, a gardening center, and a community chapel. Be sure to utilize the on-island parking lot for those days spent on Sunset Beach. Over 25 clubs are active, from biking and bowling to Tai Chi and line dancing. There really is something for everyone. If you are interested in finding out more about Sea Trail in Sunset Beach, North Carolina, please reach out to me at 843-742-7149. Thanks for coming along for the ride today. See you next time.